Hello everybody, welcome. This is Noahthebeeman or Noahthebeeman, depending on which channel you're watching. We're about to do some maintenance on the hive. It's been a while since I've used the GoPro, so we're going to see how that goes. I'm zipping up right now, a little close. I got some sugar water, it's going to go right there. Gloving up. I'll put those on last. I have to go back to the car. Oh, was not expecting it to be connected. That's my fault. I'm working on that frame hard. Got to pull at least one frame out. Comb on that one. I'll pull Johnny's out and give it back to him. Or hold on to it, I don't know. Down with the dog water. Country. It's all the sugar water I'm giving them. I cleaned this bottle out before I did anything. Throw it down on the ground for a second while I'm working. Knock that off. We'll set this right here. That's just a little bit of sugar cappings from sugar water. We're going to stick this frame back in the hive, give them a boost. Okay, let's look at the rest of these frames while we're here. This looks looking good. So we got a queen cap. And that's a heavy frame. Nice tight grouping. Got a queen. Head it back down slowly. Look at this frame real fast. There's a baby bee right there coming out. Trying to see how they fit.